Hey guys, welcome to a new video on NailPossible. In this video, we're going to make this double gradient design. We're going to start with a base coat. And we're going to apply one of the two colors of the gradient. You should apply the lightest color, but in this case both are pastels, so it doesn't really matter. We add a second coat so the color is even. Clean up the cuticles. And we're going to apply liquid latex because we're going to get a bit messy. We have to wait for it to dry. And now that it's ready, we're going to need the other color in our gradient, in this case a pastel yellow. Using a disposable makeup sponge, we're going to apply both polishes, making sure they overlap a little bit in the middle. And we apply this to the nail. We're going to repeat this on each nail so we give each coat a bit of time to dry. Once we're done with the last nail, we can go back to the first nail and go for the second coat. This is the third coat. And you don't need to, but I added a fourth coat. Okay, so here's our gradient. Now we're going to add one coat of this fine glitter. Not only does it make it prettier, but also it will help to blend the colors. We're going to create the second gradient with stamping, using metallic polishes of the same color families we used before. We're going to make a gradient on the image, applying one color to half of the image and then the other color on the other half. Scrape a few times to blend the polishes, and stamp trying to match the colors on the stamper with the colors on the gradient. We can remove the liquid latex now. Clean up wherever necessary. And finish with the top coat. And we're done with our double gradient design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget you can give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!